Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you had a good day today. I had a great day at work today. I had a package waiting for me when I got home. I was really excited to see this come in the mail. I'm going to put this new tool to good use. So thank you, Mike at Tomorrow's Tools, for sending this to me. Everybody, this is the Mud and More MixBall. It's a ball for mixing up your hot muds, grout, any mortar, anything you have a powdered material and you're mixing with water. Go ahead and just mix 3 of these powder to 1 water portions inside the ball. Use this mixing bit inside your drill bin for about 15 seconds, and you can squeeze it right into your mud pan, and you're ready to do some hot mudding. It's going to make your job go way easier, way faster. So go check out mudandmoremixball.com. Check them out on Instagram, check them out on YouTube. You can see their videos. And thanks again, Mike. Have an awesome day.